Mastering push-ups, the path from wall to one arm.
Ready to transform your push-up skills? Learn how to systematically progress from beginner wall push-ups to the advanced one-arm push-up. This guide breaks down each stage, focusing on building strength, proper technique, and steady progression, so you can master harder variations safely and effectively.
Building the foundation wall and incline push-ups.
Wait, start with wall push-ups to build initial strength and learn correct form. Stand at arm's length from a wall and lower your chest toward it, keeping your body straight. Progress to incline push-ups using a sturdy surface like a table or bench. Lowering the incline as you get stronger prepares your body for the next stage.
The standard push-up in its perfect form.
Once you're comfortable with inclines, move to floor push-ups. Keep your core engaged. Elbows at about a 45-degree angle and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Quality matters more than quantity. When you can perform multiple sets with good form, you're ready to add difficulty.
Advancing variations, diamond and archer push-ups.
Increase difficulty by narrowing or staggering your hand placement. Diamond push-ups work the triceps and chest, while archer push-ups shift more weight to one side, preparing you for one-arm progressions. Use these variations to build extra strength and stability on each side of your body.
The one-arm push-up, strength, stability, and patience.
One-arm push-ups demand exceptional strength, core stability, and balance. Start by elevating your hand on a platform and gradually lowering it as you progress. Keep your feet wider for increased stability. Train both arms evenly, listen to your body, and celebrate incremental improvements as you work toward a full, strict one-arm push-up.
Tips for safe, effective progression.
Focus on gradual progression and consistency. Warm up before each session and pay attention to form at every stage. Don't rush the process. Quality reps lead to better results and prevent injury. Complement push-ups with rest, stretching, and training for the entire upper body to support balanced development.